In this video, I'll be talking about how you can make money with crypto trading in 6 ways. Recently, the world of crypto has now opened more ways for people to make money. Crypto has now become a popular pathway for many people looking for significant returns on their investments. So whether you are new to crypto or you've been trading for a while, here are 6 ways to maximize your profit in the world of cryptocurrencies. But before I go into this video, if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and personal finance. So if you love content like this, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video? Thank you. Now, the first way to make money with crypto is by investing. Now, investing in cryptocurrencies is one of the simplest and most common ways to make money in the crypto space. This strategy involves buying cryptocurrencies at a low price and holding on to them for a long period of time in the hope that the value will increase over time. Now, the key to successful investing is to choose promising cryptocurrencies wisely, buy cryptocurrencies with good value and good use cases, and have the patience to wait for them to appreciate in value. It's essential to conduct thorough research and stay updated with industry news to make informed decisions. However, it is important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky due to their highly volatile nature, so you should only invest what you can afford to lose. And you can also open an account on crypto apps like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and so on to buy and store your cryptocurrencies. This method of making money with crypto is highly recommended for beginners or people who are new to crypto. Now, the second way to make money with crypto is through trading. Now, the process of trading cryptocurrencies consists of buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a short period of time with the intention of profiting from the frequent price fluctuations that make the market. Now, to make informed decisions about when to buy and when to sell, traders typically employ a technique known as technical analysis. Now, this technical analysis involves the thorough study of price charts, market trends, and other relevant data to predict future price movement. Now, while this strategy has the potential to be quite profitable, it's important to know that it entails a higher level of risk compared to long-term investing. And to be successful with crypto trading, you need to have a comprehensive understanding of the market and continual awareness of the latest news that can impact prices. Now, this way of making money with crypto is suitable for people who can dedicate substantial time to monitor the market regularly. Now, I've been trading crypto for over 4 years now, and it has been my major source of income till now. All it takes is learning and practicing. And if you want to become a profitable crypto trader, you can check out my complete crypto trading course for beginners. The link to the course will be in the description below, or you can check the pinned comment. The third way to make money with crypto is by staking. Now, staking is an alternative and potentially profitable method to earn money with cryptocurrencies. It entails actively participating in a proof of stake network by holding on to and securing your cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet. For example, some crypto apps like Bybit and Binance allow you to stake your crypto in different projects to earn passive income. And all you have to do is put your crypto in the project and you can earn passive income every day. Now, if you want to understand this better, I recently made a video on how to make money by investing on the Bybit app. The link to that video will be in the description below. I explained how you can stake to earn passive income on the Bybit app. Now, people who decide or choose to stake their coins are essentially contributing to the stability and security of the network. In return for their staked coins and participation, they often receive additional coins as a reward. Now, this can make staking a very attractive option for those looking to generate passive income. However, you need to be aware of the kind of risk that comes with staking, even though it is a less risky investment, but you need to be aware of the risk that comes with it. Because with this, if the price of the coin you are staking goes up, the value of your coin will also go up. And also if the price of the coin you are staking goes down, the price of your coin or the value of your coin will also go down. So you also need to be aware of this. Another way to make money with crypto is through airdrops. Essentially, airdrops are when a blockchain project distributes free coins to the crypto community. Now, this is typically done to gain visibility, spread the coins widely, and foster a community around the project. Now, to participate in an airdrop, you usually need to perform certain tasks such as signing up for a newsletter, sharing a post on social media, or owning a specific cryptocurrency. Now, the specific requirements for participation will vary from one airdrop to another. Now, while the returns from airdrop can be significant, especially if the project becomes successful, it is also important to be aware of scams. Always do your due diligence before you go into any kind of airdrop, and never share your private keys, your password, or any personal information. And you can participate in airdrops through launch pools and launch pads on the Binance app. The next way to make money with crypto is through arbitrage. Now, arbitrage is an advanced technique used in trading, not just in crypto markets, but in other financial markets as well. Now, the concept of arbitrage involves capitalizing on the price differences of a specific crypto across different exchanges. Now, the principle of arbitrage is simple. You aim to buy a crypto at a lower price on one exchange and you sell it at a higher price on another exchange. Now, the difference in the prices across these platforms is now your profit. Now, this strategy can be an effective way to make money given the often significant price variations for cryptocurrencies across different exchanges due to factors like liquidity, trading volume, and regional demand. However, successful arbitrage requires a comprehensive understanding of the crypto market. It's crucial to be familiar with the different exchanges you are using, their fee structures, and the transaction times. Arbitrage trading also involves a certain level of risk. For instance, the price of the crypto may change between the time you buy on one exchange and the time you can sell on another exchange. There's also the risk of one of the exchanges failing to fulfill the transaction due to unforeseen circumstances. Despite these challenges, arbitrage can be a potentially profitable strategy for those who are willing to invest the time and the effort in understanding the crypto market space. Another effective way to make money with crypto is by becoming a crypto analyst. Now, crypto analysts are professionals who study and interpret data related to cryptocurrencies to make predictions about their future performance. They work for financial institutions, they work for investment firms or crypto companies, and they can also offer freelance services. Now, as a crypto analyst, your role will involve studying market trends, conducting technical analysis, and keeping up with news and developments that could impact the price of cryptocurrencies. You will then use this information to provide advice to investors, traders, and companies. Now, to become a successful crypto analyst, you will need a solid understanding of blockchain technology and the crypto market, as well as strong analytical and communication skills. Also, a background in finance or economics or a related field can also be an advantage for you. And depending upon their level of expertise or reputation, crypto analysts can earn a significant income. This is essentially true if you can accurately predict the market trends and provide valuable insights to your clients. However, it's important to know that this role requires a significant amount of time and dedication to stay updated with the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. So in conclusion, the world of crypto trading offers a lot of opportunities for making money. So whether it's through investing, trading, staking, airdrops, or arbitrage opportunities, there is a strategy suited for everyone's risk profile. The key to success in the crypto space is thorough research and continuous learning. Remember, while the potential for significant returns exists, so does the risk of loss exist. Always invest responsibly and ensure your decisions are informed and well considered. And lastly, don't stop learning. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn how to start crypto trading and become profitable, click the video showing on your screen right now. Thank you and bye.